we got one. Sit back and pay attention. I was running with some niggas who ain't had my best interest. I'm as slimy as they get, you shouldn't trust me. I don't even trust myself if it get ugly. And if it go down, niggas, you gon' get to it. Is you gon' grab your hammer, or is you gon' run with it? Niggas know what's up with me. I ain't ran from nothing, none of my problems. Faced all my fears, and nigga. And I can't fall victim to no hater shit. Or no crash dummy shit, man, I'm over it. Switch up the whip, switch up the image. Niggas know what's up with me on the package 650.
My fault, bro. Let me spark this real quick.
Hey, MRE. Hey. I've been tryna stack 100 balls. Man, you niggas ain't stacking, you niggas broke, you niggas knock it off. This dog shit, I just might cop it off. My nigga punching them cars, you play it cool, just catch a 20 ball. Come punch a ticket. If you are not MRE, we cannot kick it. My life like a roller coaster, shit get wicked.
Ups and downs and this shit. Real niggas know that.
They tried to play the back door, but I went through the front. Audi A5 Sportsback, this ain't the cheap one.
Come on. Nigga, you niggas gotta get that shit up, nigga. It's the MRE takeover, bitch.
Hey, let that shit ride for me, bro. I want them to think about this one. It's Gwap.
Niggas fanned out, better watch who you hang with, that's how you get fanned down. Niggas, ayy, I ain't sparing no niggas, they ain't spare me. When I was there, baby, who was there for me? I ain't had no one to rely on. Had to jump up in the water, get deep, bro. Now my neck on froze and my heart cold. And the money won't stop calling, won't leave me alone.
Money won't stop calling me for real, you know I gotta go get it. Niggas call my phone about a damn bitch. Tryna have me set the play, man, that's whole shit. Nigga, why you tryna argue? Get up on son. One life drives by, they like standovers.
If you ain't got a check, don't check for me. Little baby so bad, put the neck on me. She do it so good, I'm finna cash out. You can do shit like that when you on that money route. Nigga, you ain't tryna hit, better go in the house. Tryna open up a Chase account like right now. When I see a sucker, I'ma knock him down. Niggas doing all that dancing, man, them niggas clowns.